Hello students, welcome back. Once again I am requesting, watch the video carefully first. Then start solving and writing the questions. Today we have question number 6 of exercise 5.3. The question number 6 is the first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. First term 17, last term 350. First term we know A 17, last term we know AN, or you can write L 350. If the common difference is 9, common difference means D is equal to 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms means we have to find N, number of terms. All these we know, it is given. AN, nth term is your 350, last term. AN can be written as A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. Now substitute the values. A 17 plus N we don't know, minus N minus 1, D is your 9 is equal to 350. Changing the side of 17, it is minus 350 minus 70, 333. N minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. 9 will go to the denominator as we know. Cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 6, 9 sevens are 63. It is 37. After cancellation, it is 37. Now your N is equal to 37. It is plus now. The sign will change. 37 plus 1, 38. So your number of terms is 38. Number of terms. How many terms? There are 38 terms. And what is their sum? Now we have to find the sum. Sum Sn is equal to, there are two formulas for Sn. We are using this. Why? Because we know the first term A, we know the L, last term, and we know N. So we are using this formula. Sn is equal to N by 2, A plus L, N 38 is equal to 38 by 2, bracket A is your 17 plus L is your 350. 2 ones are 2 19s, it is 19. 19 multiply, add these two, it is 367. Now multiply, it is 6973. Was question number 6. Now come to question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms. First 22 terms means you have been given N, number of terms, of an AP in which D is given, and 22nd term is 149. First 22 term means N is 22, D is 7 given. 22nd term, 22nd means A22 is equal to 149, it is given. 22nd term can be written as A plus 21D is equal to 149. A plus 21D, the value of D is 7, is equal to 149. A plus, multiply these two, 147 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147. So A is equal to 149 minus 147, which is 2. A means first term is 2. Now we have to find the sum of 22 terms. Sn. We know sum, for the sum we have formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus L. N 22 is equal to N by 2, 22 by 2, bracket A first term, 2 plus L last term, 149. Cancel. 2 11s are, add these two, 151. Now multiply 11 by 151. So it is 1661. Sum of 22 terms. 22nd term. Sum of first 22 terms. Question number 7 was this. Now come to question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Again, first 51 terms means you know n number of terms of AP whose second and third term are respectively 14 and 18. You have to find the sum of 51 terms. N 51. Second term is 14. Second term 14. You know second term can be written as A plus D is equal to 14. And third term is 18. A3 is equal to 18. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 18. Now we have solved equation number 1 and 2 already. The way how do we solve it? By elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication. We are using elimination method. Elimination method, subtracting 2 from 1. First equation as it is, second equation as it is. For subtracting, we change the sign. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus a minus a cancel. 2d of minus and 1d of plus. Now it is minus. 2d minus 1d. 1d greater sign. Greater number sign minus. 18 minus 14 plus. Solve it. It is minus 4. Minus minus cancels. D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. Now substitute this value of D either in equation number 1 or 2. We are using equation number 1. A plus D. D is your 4 is equal to 14. Now change the sign of 4. A is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. We know the first term. We know common difference. Now we have to find the sum. Find the sum of 51 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are using this. Why? Because we don't know the last term. We know the first term, but we don't know the last term. That's why we are using this formula. N 51 is equal to n by 2 means 51 by 2 bracket 2a 10 plus n 51 minus 1 d. D is your 4. 51 by 2, 2 times are 20 plus solve it 54. 51 by 2, 20 plus multiply these two, 200. Now add these two, 220. Cancel 2 ones are, 2 11s are, 22, 0 as it is. Multiply this, 5610. So the sum of first 51 terms is equal to 5610. It is a question number 8. They are correlated to each other. Almost all the questions are similar to each other. बस आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन की तरफ ये देखना कि क्या क्या चीज गिवन है. What is given to you? The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. It is given. Sum of first 7 terms is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. First 7 terms का sum 49 है and the 17th term का आपका 289 है. Find the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms का आपने find out करना है. What is given? Once again, sum of 7 terms is equal to 49. Look at it. Sum, S means sum. Sum of 7 terms is equal to 49. Now, to find the formula, we have the formula for Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Since n is 7, 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1, d is equal to 49. This 49. ये फॉर्मूला फिर से बता रहा हूँ. n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d वो वाला यूज किया हमने. जहां जहां n था वहां हमने 7 लिखा है. Now 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d. Now you are taking this to the right hand side. जब ये right hand side में जाएगा तो ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. 7 1 जा 7 7 जा 49. It is 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 2 जा 14. Since we have 2 as a common factor, divide both side by 2. If you divide by 2, it is a plus divide by 2. 2 3 जा 6. 3d is equal to divide by 2. 2 7 जा 14. Equation number 1. And the second part, in the question it was given sum of 17 terms is 289. As 17 is equal to 289. As again same formula, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. In place of n we are writing 17. 17 by 2 2a plus 17 minus 1 16d is equal to 289. Now you know what is common here in these two. Between these, the common is 2. So we are taking 2 as a common. 17 by 2, 2 taken as common. A plus 2 8 is 16. Is equal to this. 2 2 cancel. Now a plus 8d is equal to 289 by 17. This 17 will go to the denominator. A plus 8d is equal to cancel 17 1 is 17, 17 17 is 289. So it is 17 here. Now we know how to solve equation number 1 and 2. In the previous question we have solved by using elimination method. If you use the elimination method, you have d is equal to 2. Substitute this d either in equation number 1 or 2. We are using equation number 1. A plus 3d is equal to 7, which was there. A plus 3d in equation number 1. Here you will use 2 in place of d. Now solve it. We get the value of a. We know a, we know d. Now we can use a formula for finding the sum of first n terms. So sum of n terms is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N we don't know, n by 2 2 a is your 1 plus n as it is minus 1 d. The value of d is 2. N by 2, 2 1s are 2 plus multiply n by 2. 2n minus 2 1s are 2. Now it is plus 2 minus 2 cancel 0. N by 2 into 2n. 2 2 cancel. N into n. N square. So the sum of n terms is n square in this AP. इस AP के अंदर जो n terms का सम है that is n square. Question number 9 was this. Question number 10. Question number 10 is show that A1, A2, A3, A4 dash dash AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. It is first part of question number 10. First part is AN is given to you 3 plus 4n. Find sum of the first 15 terms. इस AP के आपने first 15 terms का sum find out करना है. AN. Now substituting n you know n is number of terms, natural numbers. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. A1. If you put n as 1, it is 1, 3 plus 4 n means 1. We are substituting a1. N is equal to 1. 3 plus 4 1s are 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now substitute n is equal to 2. A2 3 plus 4 into 2. N is 2 now. It is 3 plus 4 2s are 8. Adding 11. Now put n3. Here we are using 3. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 is a 12. 3 plus 12. 15. Similarly put 4. 19. Hence your sequence is your squares is 7, 11, 15, 19, dash and so on. Now, whether it is AP or not, you have to show that. Show that it is AP or not. Now, how do we show that it is AP or not? We have to find the common difference. If the common difference is same, then it is an AP. Second minus first. Second minus first. A2 minus A1 means 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Then we write third minus second. Third minus second. 15 minus 11. Fourth term minus third term. 19 minus 15. In this case, we know the difference is same. Since A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to 4, means all the differences are same. Therefore, if the differences are same, therefore this given sequence is an AP. It is your AP. If it is AP, what is the first term? 7. Common difference D. 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. N. How many terms? We have to find the sum of 15 terms. It is in the question. N is equal to 15. So formula to find the sum, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know S and n is a 15 is equal to n by 2 means 15 by 2. Bracket 2a, a means 7 plus n 15 minus 1 d. Difference is common difference is 4. 15 by 2, solve it. 2 7s are 14 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 4. 15 by 2, 14 plus multiply these two, 56. Add these two, 70. 15 by 2 into 70, 2 1s are 2 35s are. Multiply these two, it is 525. So sum of the 15 terms is equal to 525. It is for first part of the question number 10. First part of question number 10. We have to find the sum of 15 terms. And this, it is given, an is given to us. It is an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Similarly, second part, same. An is equal to an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Here you will write फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या डालेंगे, आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. n इज इक्वल टू 1, एक और 1 रखिए, 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन लाइक दिस. n का वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5. इस तरह आपका एक सीक्वेंस बनेगा. शो दैट वेदर दैट सीक्वेंस इज एन AP और नॉट. इसके लिए क्या करेंगे आप लोग, यू नो, ये डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. उसके बाद आपकी AP बनेगी. AP बनने के बाद आपका क्या हो जाएगा, जब आपका AP बनेगा उसके बाद आपने ये SN निकालना है. ये कंप्लीट योर सेल्फ. AN इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस 5n. इसमें भी आपने 15 टर्म्स के सम्स फाइंड आउट करने. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 था. यू हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम. यू नो, आपको अल्टरनेट डे में एक दिन छोड़कर आपको होमवर्क दिया जाता है, इसलिए आपके पास काफी टाइम रहता है इसको देखने के. और साथ साथ में आप जो ना आज तक करवाया उसको भी देखा करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is, फर्स्ट n टर्म्स का सम है आपको ये. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड टर्म. सिमिलरली फाइंड थर्ड, 10th एंड nth टर्म. You have been given Sn, sum of n terms. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. It is given. Putting n is equal to 1. What is the first term? S1 इज इक्वल टू 4, n की जगह आपने 1 लिखा, माइनस 1 स्क्वायर, 4 1 जा 4 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3। S1 मीन्स ये फर्स्ट टर्म का सम है, ये फर्स्ट टर्म का सम 3 है, इसका मतलब वो फर्स्ट टर्म ही है, इट इज फर्स्ट टर्म। सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स इट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म। A1 is equal to 3. Now what is the sum of first two terms? First two terms के लिए आपने सम निकालना। Now substituting or putting n is equal to 2, S2, substitute the value here, n, value of n, 4 to the 8 minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 4. So the sum of two terms, sum of your first two terms is 4. Sum of the two terms is equal to 4. सम ऑफ टू टर्म मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सेकेंड टर्म इज इक्वल टू 4, यही मीनिंग है ना। टू टर्म्स का सम क्या होगा, फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस सेकेंड टर्म इज इक्वल टू 4। फर्स्ट टर्म यू नो इट इज 3 प्लस A2 एज इट इज इक्वल टू 4, सो A2 सेकेंड टर्म इज इक्वल टू, चेंज इट साइड, 4 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 1। सेकेंड टर्म भी आपको आप मिल गई। फर्स्ट टर्म आपको A1 है, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स आपका 4 है। सेकेंड टर्म भी आपने फाइंड आउट कर ली, सेकेंड टर्म A2 इज इक्वल टू 1। नाउ फाइंड द थर्ड, 10th एंड nth टर्म। फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस। नाउ D, कॉमन डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते, सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट, सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, इट इज माइनस 2। नाउ वी कैन फाइंड द एनी टर्म इफ वी नो A एंड D। फर्स्ट टर्म और अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस हम जानते हैं तो वी कैन फाइंड एनी टर्म। A थर्ड मीन्स A3 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस 2D, A इज योर 3 प्लस 2, D इज योर माइनस 2, सॉल्व इट, इट इज माइनस 1। A10 10th टर्म, A10 इज योर A प्लस 9D इज इक्वल टू A इज योर 3 प्लस 9, D इज योर माइनस 2, 3 plus minus minus 9 to 18 is equal to minus 15. Similarly, nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. 3, a is your 3 plus n minus 1 as it is, D is your minus 2. 3 minus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो n को, it is minus 2n minus minus plus 1 2 is 2, 3 plus 2 5 minus 2n. So it is the sum of n terms. That's all for the day. Thank you very much for the watching.